Let's talk about how to solve a polynomial equation by factoring. So here's a polynomial equation, and we're going to factor it. So we're going to do x squared minus 5x plus 6. So to factor, we want two things that multiply to be x squared. So that's going to be x and x. X times x is x squared. Now we want two numbers that are going to multiply to be 6. Here's my options, 2 and 3, or 1 and 6. Either of those pairs of numbers multiply to be 6. I need the one that could also add up to be 5, or subtract to be 5. Actually, 2 plus 3 is 5, 6 minus 1 is 5. Looks like either one could work. But because this is plus, we need the numbers to multiply to be 6. So to multiply to be a positive, they're either both going to be negative or both going to be positive. Let me say that again. Because we're multiplying to be positive 6, either both my numbers are negative or both positive, because negative times negative is a positive, or positive times positive is a positive. So we're going to use this one, because we're going to have negative 2 and negative 3. We're going to have them negative because we need to add to be negative 5. Multiply to be positive 6, and add to be negative 5. So that means they need to be the negatives. Obviously, the two positives couldn't add to be a negative 5. But the two negatives could add to be a negative 5. So we're going to do negative 2 times negative 3. So now we want to solve this. So we're going to say x minus 2 times x minus 3 equals 0. So either this one equals 0, because 0 times anything would be 0, or this one is 0, because anything times 0 would be 0. So 2 works, as does 3. So there's two solutions to this equation. Either x equals 2 or x equals 3. And that's your solution set for this question.